Hot plate, hot plate, hot plate, watch out. Fajitas, excuse me. Did you make a reservation? Do not eat my people. I'm Yoni Lotan, and this is Do You Even Food? And I'm hitting the streets of New York and quizzing people on their food knowledge. Come on. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
I was talking to them, not you. Ingredients to foods.
Ingredients to food, okay.
Nancy, food ingredients, they're so boring, right?
No, not at all.
I'll be honest with you, when someone's reading me the ingredients to food, I'm like, boring. But to make it more fun, we're gonna have you read them in different voices. Actual ingredients to chocolate chip cookies. Nancy, take it away.
Low-fat yogurt, cultured,
German accent.
cultured pasteurized,
French.
Unbleached ringa flour. Vitamin B2, folic acid.
de sucre.
Now as her.
Lactic acid started culture.
Do it as Meryl Streep,
Somebody else.
like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Niacin, reduced iron, thiamine, mononitrate.
Now as your mother, like Robert De Niro.
Sugar, soybean oil.
As a French dog that learns how to speak English.
Woo, woo, baking soda.
You know what, we'll end there. Woof, woof, bacon soda. Rumor has it that you're brothers.
Nah.
I'm going to show the both of you a hard to pronounce word, and you guys just need to pronounce it. But you're gonna do it with saltines in your mouth. You guys got this? 3, 2, 1.
No point. $2.
What was that?
$2. What before? MASCARPONE. Yoni? Make a couple of. Oh? This is good. French onion soup.
What?
About my right.
Talking to the mic. What was that?
But
We're gonna play top 5, top 5, top 5.
Top 5 what?
Top 5 sandwiches.
Bologna.
I gave you time to
Tuna
prep.
fish.
Go.
Hot dog.
Top 5 Brazilian foods. Go.
Oh, feijoada.
1,
Cozido.
2,
Farofa.
3,
Brigadeiro.
4,
Tapioca.
5. Ice cream toppings. Go.
Chocolate candy cane.
Go.
Oh, wait.
Go.
Oreo smushed Oreos.
2,
M&M's.
3,
Nutella.
4,
Gummy bears.
5. Foods you would never eat. Go. Go.
Broccoli.
Come on. Broccoli's good.
Yeah.
Top 5 foods you should never bring into an office. Sorbet.
Pasta.
Do not bring pasta into the office.
Popcorn. Pancakes.
Pancakes is an excessive move to bring into an office, yes.
Tomatoes. Sloppy tomatoes.
Dog names that are food.
Clam.
Clam? Here, clam. Do you even food? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do ya? Do ya love me?